Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 cool tools on Amazon that will make your DIY projects, woodworking, or home repairs so much easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools are practical, innovative, and totally worth checking out. I'll leave links to all of them in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Maxman Clamp Bench Vise with Post Universal is an 8-inch woodworking vise designed for heavy-duty use, making it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Built from rugged, all-steel base material, it features a chrome-plated spindle and nut for durability, while the jaw uses quenching and reburning technology to enhance hardness. With a clamping force of 16.7 knots and a range of 0 to 75 millimeters, it can securely hold most objects, ensuring stability during your projects. One of its standout features is the 360-degree pivot ball, which allows the head to rotate smoothly and tilt up to 45 degrees. This flexibility lets you work at multiple angles without removing the vise, saving time and effort. The vise also includes a universal design with a maximum height of 8.6 inches and a jaw opening of 65 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. It comes with rubber pads that prevent surface wear to protect your workbench. The locking pin securely fastens the ball and socket joint, while the 6-inch connection length provides excellent leverage for tightening. Whether you're woodworking, metalworking, or tackling DIY projects, this vise offers unmatched versatility, durability, and ease of use. Number 2. Using Clenimagi wood glue is a game changer for anyone into woodworking, DIY projects, or furniture repairs. This 2-pack comes with 25-gram bottles, which means you'll have more than enough glue for all your needs. The package is upgraded to prevent leaks and drying out, so it's super reliable. One of the best features is how easy it is to use. Just apply it with the precision tip, press the surfaces together for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you're good to go. The bond actually gets stronger the longer you let it set. What I really love is the speed of this glue. It adheres effectively within seconds, which really speeds up the process compared to other brands. Plus, it holds its viscosity, ensuring that your projects maintain their integrity and aesthetics over time. Safety is another huge plus. This glue is non-toxic and has passed multiple safety checks, making it a healthier choice compared to some other wood adhesives out there. It's all-purpose too, so it sticks not just wood but ceramic, stone, and even metals, working great on all sorts of surfaces. Whether you're tackling a simple craft or a complex repair, this glue has got you covered. Number 3. So, if you're looking for a reliable hole saw set, the Kata Hole Saw Kit is pretty impressive. With 20 pieces, including 13 different hole saw blades ranging from 3/4 inch to 6 inches, you've got a size for every job. And it's not just about the size. This set also comes with accessories like mandrels, drill bits, a hex key wrench, and an installation plate, making it super versatile for all kinds of projects. The durability of these hole saws is something to note too. They're made from heat-treated carbon steel with a black coating that makes them rust-proof and really wear-resistant. This means they'll last longer and perform well with ultra-sharp serrations for faster, cleaner cuts. Whether you're working on softwood, plywood, plastic, or even thicker materials like plasterboard, this set handles it all like a champ. Another great feature is the solid storage case. It keeps everything organized and makes it easier to transport from job to job. You'll appreciate the designated slots that keep all the pieces in place, improving your work efficiency. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone who regularly tackles drilling tasks. Number 4. The Ridgid 78148 RP251 Press Tool Battery Kit is a real powerhouse for anyone working with piping or plumbing. One of its standout features is that endless 360 degrees head swivel. This allows you to reach tight spaces from just about any angle, which is super handy when you're dealing with tricky installations. The brushless motor is impressive too. It can handle over 60,000 press cycles without needing any scheduled maintenance. Talk about reliable. Operating this tool is a breeze, thanks to its ergonomic inline design. The forward position trigger and slim grip handle mean you can easily use it with one hand, making those awkward jobs much simpler. You can complete up to 140 presses on a single charge with the 12-volt lithium-ion battery, which keeps you productive without frequent interruptions. Another great perk is its Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily access tool information through the Rigid Link app, checking things like press cycle counts and battery status on your phone. This means you won't be left guessing about your tool's performance. Overall, this press tool is an efficient and user-friendly option, perfect for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 5. If you're in the game of logging, arborist work, or any heavy-duty tree care, the NoCry 6-in-1 industrial chainsaw helmet is a solid choice for protecting yourself while you work. This all-in-one kit combines a hard hat, an adjustable metal mesh visor, a polycarbonate face shield, and earmuffs with an impressive 25.9 dB SNR for noise reduction. It's essentially a complete chainsaw safety gear setup designed for those serious about forestry projects. One of the best aspects is the combination of safety, practicality, and comfort. You get heavy-duty protection for your head, eyes, and ears no matter if you're cutting trees, managing brush, or chopping firewood. It's also designed to fit over your glasses or mask, so you don't need to compromise on vision or comfort. What really sets this helmet apart is its customizable 6-in-1 design. You can switch between the mesh and clear visors, adjust the angles, and even rotate the earmuffs to the back when you don't need them. It fits head sizes from 21.2 to 24.4 inches, making it versatile for different users. Overall, this helmet gives you flexibility and safety all in one neat package. Number 6. The Irwin Quick Lift Construction Jack is a real game changer for anyone in construction or DIY projects. It lifts up to 10 inches, which is more than enough for most applications, and boasts a solid lifting capacity of 330 pounds. This means you can safely lift heavy materials without worrying about stability or safety. What I appreciate most is the precision-controlled lowering feature. This allows you to make fine-tune adjustments and level items accurately. When you're working, quick setting is crucial, and this jack offers no-load quick release for just that, getting things in place fast without any hassle. Plus, the comfort grip design makes it easy to use over extended periods, reducing hand fatigue. The ergonomic handle is a nice touch, making the lifting process smoother and more manageable. Another great feature is its countersunk holes for flush mounting, which make it easy to set it up securely. The slim tapered base helps you get right under the application, even in tight spots. Whether you're adjusting beams, drywall, or leveling furniture, the Irwin Quick Lift Jack makes the job simpler and more efficient. Overall, it's a reliable tool that streamlines your work and increases productivity. Number 7. The adjustable Dimpler drywall bit is a real asset for any DIY enthusiast or professional working with various materials. Its innovative adjustable clutch offers 4 depth adjustments, which lets you fine-tune your screw placements perfectly, whether you're tackling drywall, decks, particle board, or plywood. This means no more guessing where your screws should go. You get them right every time for a clean finish. Included with the Dimpler is a specialized drywall bit designed to make installing screws as easy as pie. Forget about the frustrating and uneven screw placements. This bit ensures a smooth and efficient process. Plus, it's compatible with electric drills and impact drills too, so you don't have to invest in a new screw gun. Just attach it to your existing drill and you're ready to roll. Another fantastic feature is the secure magnetic screw holder that grips screws tightly, so you won't have to worry about them dropping while you work. This saves you time and keeps your workflow running smoothly. Overall, whether you're hanging drywall or doing finish work, the adjustable Dimpler drywall bit is a versatile tool that brings efficiency and precision to your projects. Number 8. The Duratech 3-piece level tool set is an excellent choice for anyone needing precision in their projects. This kit includes an 8-inch level and 2 torpedo levels, 6.25 inches and 2.5 inches, all featuring high visibility bubbles that make reading angles a breeze. With angles marked at 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, plus large hexagonal window vials, you can easily check your work from multiple angles. The yellow-green bubbles enhance visibility, ensuring you won't struggle to see where that bubble is sitting. Durability is a big plus here. The aluminum alloy frame means it can take a beating, and the V-groove design gives the torpedo-level stability on round surfaces. Plus, the thumb screw feature is a game changer. You can attach the level to pipes or thin objects and measure angles hands-free. With shock absorption built in, it's ready for daily use, whether you're doing carpentry, home decoration, or wood processing. The powerful rare earth magnets keep your levels securely in place, with the 8-inch and 6.25-inch levels sporting magnets strong enough to hold over 9.92 pounds. With an accuracy of 0.5 per 1,000 in both SAE and metric scales, this level set meets all your construction needs and ensures your projects are spot on. Number 9. The Sellstrom UltraFlex 3 Knee Pro knee pads are a solid investment if you're on your knees a lot at work. They have a super hard outer plastic shell that delivers serious protection, making them perfect for professionals who need to kneel, crawl, or squat. What sets them apart is the triple-layer, 3/4-inch thick closed-cell foam padding. This provides not just robust protection but also unparalleled comfort for those long hours on the job. These knee pads are designed to minimize pressure, thanks to the soft elastic woven straps that hold them securely in place. Positioned strategically above and below the knee, they feature a speed clip for quick and hassle-free attachment. Their adjustable, unisex design means anyone can wear them comfortably. One of the best features is the metal rivet hinge, which allows for flexible movement, so you don't feel restricted while working. Plus, the non-marking grip strip means you can use them safely on any floor surface without worrying about damage. These knee pads are perfect for a variety of professional fields, whether you're in military tactical work, flooring, tiling, roofing, landscaping, or HVAC. They even come with a mesh carry bag for easy portability, making them a must-have for anyone who values knee protection. Number 10. The compact guide rail square with edge support is a fantastic tool if you're working with track saws. This device is CNC machined to ensure you get a perfect 90-degree right angle every time. That accuracy is crucial when cutting with a track saw, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently without second-guessing your angles. You can easily install the guide rail square in front of or behind the track saw rail, giving you versatility based on your setup. One of the biggest time savers is that you don't have to scribe a cutting line anymore. Just attach the guide rail square, and you're ready to start making precise cuts without the extra step. It's compatible with leading brands like Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, PowerTech, and WEN, making it a valuable addition to your toolset. Setting it up is a breeze. Just loosen the brass nut, slide it into the track saw rail, and tighten it down. Plus, its high-quality aluminum alloy construction means it's built to last, while its compact size makes it easy to transport and store. The included edge support adds extra stability, enhancing your cutting precision. So whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is definitely worth having on hand.